Mistook my patience for permanence. You thought the gate was unlocked, not just temporarily ajar. You didn't understand the INFJ. We don't slam the door in a fit of rage. We close it quietly with a certainty that is more frightening than any shout. I am writing to you from a place you can no longer touch. The physical proximity that is a technicality. I see you in the required spaces across the room in the registry of professional necessities. But you should know I have already gone home.
You linger at the threshold, don't you? Hoping for a flicker of the warmth you carelessly burn through. You look for the open conduit of my empathy, the blueprint to your better self I so freely offered. It's gone. Not because I'm angry, but because I ran the numbers. My strategic mind calculated the cost of maintaining the connection versus the cost of silence. The equilibrium tipped, and when I deleted you from my vital cares, it was an exquisite final act of self-preservation. The diabolical truth is this: you will long for my presence forever. Not because I was perfect, but because I saw your potential so clearly. I reflected a version of you that you almost became. And now that mirror is turned to the wall. The potential you killed haunts you far more than my actual absence. You mourn the loss of your best self, and I was the curator of that self. Go ahead and rattle the frame of our old conversations. You'll only hurt your own knuckles on the stone. The warmth you seek is now locked down. The key is not lost. It has been dissolved, turned into the quiet steel certainty that now reinforces my core. I am not your punishment, I am simply your consequence. My door is closed, my silence is solved.